Hello student, are you ready? I am going to discuss Ampere's circuital law. The line integral of magnetic field means magnetic flux density vector B around any closed path is mu times the net current threading through the area enclosed by path. I have taken here a straight conductor XY in which a current I flowing from X to Y. Here at any point P, the magnetic field here around A means line integral of vector E dot dl equal to mu naught I, where this circular is enclosed path. If proof according to Biot-Savart law, the magnetic field at P distance r from the conductor, straight conductor XY, you can say V equal to mu naught 2 pi I upon r. This is equation 1. dl and B along the same direction, line integral of magnetic field, closed line integral of magnetic field vector B dot dl equal to closed line integral B dl cos 0, because vector B and dl in same direction, vector B and vector dl, V line closed line integral dl, that vector B dot dl equal to V into 2 pi r, where closed line integral dl equal to circumference of a circle passing through the point P. From equation 1 and 2, vector B dot dl equal to mu naught I, this upon 2 pi r, this is value of B, into 2 pi r, B will get a closed line integral vector B dot dl equal to mu naught I, hence proved. And now come application of Ampere's circuital law. First application, magnetic field of a long straight thin wire. By Ampere's circuital law, closed line integral vector B dot dl equal to mu naught I, that is equation 1. Since vector B and line B and vector B and dl are along the same direction, closed line integral vector B dot dl may be written closed line integral V dl cos 0. V line integral dl vector B dot dl equal to V into 2 pi r. This is the circumference of circle passing through the point P. From equation 1 and 2, from B into 2 pi r equal to mu naught I, V equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. Second application, magnetic field of a long straight solenoid. Solenoid is a long helical coil in which number of turns more in comparison to the magnetic field of a long straight solenoid. Solenoid is a helical coil in a number of turns much more, means its length is much more in comparison to its thickness. There is many number of turns of the coil as shown in figure here. By Ampere's circuital law, magnetic field we have to calculate the magnetic field at the axis of solenoid. To this, we draw a closed Amperian path ABCD. AB lies in axis. By Ampere's circular law, two rectangular path ABCD, closed line integral B dot dl equal to mu naught I, or closed line integral vector B dot dl equal to line integral A to B dot dl plus line integral B to C B dot dl plus line integral B dot dl C to D and plus line integral V D dot A B dot dl. Now B to C V dot dl equal to D to A V dot dl equal to 0 because BC and DA is at a right angle to DL, so that it is 0, and D to C to D V dot dl equal to 0 because outside of solenoid V equal to 0. Therefore, A to V dot dl equal to V A to V d dl cos 0, or you can say V this dl A to B, which is a VL. This is equation 2. Put the value of from equation second and third. From second and third, it is very clear that closed line integral B dot dl equal to BL. This is it. You can say fourth, from equation first and fourth, B L equal to mu naught I, where I equal to number of turns in length L, N into current from each turn I, so that VL equal to mu naught NL I naught N L to L, V equal to mu naught N I naught, where I is current in each turn, CURRENT, current in each turn, all of you complete this so that I may explain. Next one, write down magnetic field of toroidal endless solenoid. This is a endless solenoid. This is a current in this and comes out I current I. It's Q. This is the P in this P point and R. Toroidal is hollow. Is a hollow circular ring on which large number of turns of wire closely wound. First, magnetic field inside toroid at P. Only formula be applicable. V equal to at P. V equal to mu naught Ni upon 2 pi A, where A is radius pi A. Or n upon 2 pi A, number of turn per unit length, that is n. V equal to mu naught Ni. Where I naught current through each turn. At R and Q means outside R and inside of toroid, that V equal to 0. The magnetic field of toroid is thus the magnetic field of toroid is thus 0 0 at all point except with its core. Thus, I finished this article. Magnetic field of toroid. This is a P point lies at core, where magnetic field equal to B equal mu naught. This is endless solenoid. When we fold in circular form a solenoid, that structure is known as a toroid.